Hello everyone, I'm Laura Lemus from Long Island Winds with Victoria Daza from Jobs with Justice. We are doing a series of 3 Know Your Rights videos to share with our Long Island community about immigration and customs enforcement known as ICE. ICE is one of the federal government agencies responsible for deporting people. ICE is part of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The Trump administration announced that ICE will focus on deporting people with pending criminal cases and/or prior criminal convictions. People with final orders of removal, people who were deported and re-entered, people who have committed fraud, and people who they believe pose a threat to public safety or national security. We recommend you speak with a lawyer even if your conviction was from years ago, even if you didn't serve jail time, and even if your case was minor or a misdemeanor. Victoria, what do you do if ICE agents are in your neighborhood?
Anyone can help a fellow neighbor. If you see ICE raids on Long Island, please report it. Call the Long Island hotline, 516-387-2043. Don't pass along information unless you have first-hand confirmation. Take a picture or a video. Take note of the exact date, time, location of the raid or arrest. You may be able to save someone from being detained by ICE agents in their neighborhood by making a simple phone call.
What if ICE stops you on the street?
When ICE agents arrest someone in public, it typically happens quickly. Before saying your name or anything else, say, "Am I free to go?" If they say yes, say, "I don't want to answer your questions," or "I'd rather not speak with you right now," and walk away. If they say no, use your right to remain silent. Say, "I want to use my right to not answer questions," and then, "I want to speak to a lawyer." You cannot be arrested for refusing to identify yourself on the street. But if you're stopped while driving a vehicle, you must show your license and registration. If ICE starts to search inside your pockets, belongings, or inside your car, say, "I do not consent to a search." Don't lie or show false documents. Don't flee or resist arrest. Don't answer questions about your immigration status or where you were born. They will use any information you provide against you.
Thanks, Victoria. If you're detained by ICE agents and are under custody and they start giving you papers to sign, what should you do?
Don't sign anything ICE gives you without a lawyer present. ICE might try to get you to sign away your right to see a lawyer or a judge. Invoke your right for legal representation. Tell ICE agents that you will not speak to them until you have a lawyer in the room. Be sure you understand what a document actually says. Fight back. Get a trustworthy attorney. Explore all your options to fight your case if detained. You might be able to get bail. Don't give up hope. If you see ICE, call the Long Island hotline, 516-387-2043. If you or a loved one is detained, call the Immigration Law Unit hotline, 844-955-3425.